Second finale.
Wait, I don't know if it's over yet.
Wait.
Wait, no. Again.
Real finale.
Is it over now?
Nope, maybe one more.
Wait. I think it's almost over. Oh, wait, no.
The finale.
Wow.
There it goes.
They had some leftover fireworks. They just wanted it put up there.
What?
Had leftover fireworks. They just wanted to put up there. Okay, I think I can turn off the camera now.
Yep.
Wait. One more second. Okay, now.